Hi, my name is Evan Campbell, and this is part 3 of the Understanding by Design Overview Workshop. Let's begin. In Stage 3 of the Understanding by Design approach to course and curriculum building, we get to plan the learning experiences. For Stage 3, we use the Where To learning plan. The W serves to help students know where the unit is going, what is expected of the students, and why is it important to the students. It also helps the teachers identify what the students already know. To do this, they start by identifying SMART learning objectives. Remember, they must be specific, measurable, attainable, result-oriented, and timed. Once you have identified them, enter them here. Relevance is explaining to the students how they benefit from the material. Once you have identified the benefits to the students, enter them here. Diagnoses is how you will test what they know before and after lessons and whether or not they have any misconceptions. Once you have identified them, enter them here. The H in Where To stands for how you hook students and hold onto their interests. Once you identify how to hook and hold students' interests, enter them here. Technology should also be integrated into the course. Once you identify how technology can be used to hook students and keep them engaged, enter them here. The first E in Where To stands for Experience and Explore. This is how students uncover the big ideas. It also gives them a chance to learn more so they can be equipped for their required performance. Once you identify how students will experience and explore the big ideas, enter them here. The R in Where To is for Rethink, Revise, and Refine. Or, in other words, how will you give students the opportunity to rethink, revise, and refine their work? Once you identify how they will do this, enter them here. The R could also mean reflect and self-regulate. It is important for students to improve their metacognition and skills for self-regulation. Once you identify how students will reflect and self-regulate, enter them here. The second E is for evaluate. Through evaluation, students have a chance to receive formative feedback that can help them improve their work. Once you have identified how students will receive formative feedback, enter it here. The T in Where To is for tailored, specifically to differentiate learning. Not all students are the same, and the learning needs to be tailored to the varying needs, abilities, and curiosities of learners. This can include adjusting content and processes or changing learning environments to suit personal goals or learning styles. Once you identified how you will tailor to differentiate learning using technology, enter it here. The O in Where To is for organize using technology. This is where you identify how technology will be used to enhance the learning process while making sure it is still authentic, creative, learner-centered, and incorporates higher order skills. The course needs to be organized so that the instructional strategies are learner-centered. Once you identified how you would do this, enter them here. The course needs to be organized so that it is authentic. This happens when students can engage in interdisciplinary units involving technology, assuming professional roles, collaborating with others, and other tasks that they would have to do outside the classroom. Once you have identified how you will authentically organize the class, enter it here. The course needs to be organized so that it spurs creativity, utilizes higher order skills, and trains mental habits of mind. Individuals in the workplace need these skills to continually improve and maintain discipline. Once you identify how the unit will be organized to creativity, higher order skills, and mental habits of mind, enter them here. The course needs to be organized to assess students' learning. This is how you will continually assess students' ability by using formative and summative assessments aligned with the content standards. Once you identify how you will organize the course to address students' learning, enter it here. The course needs to be organized in such a way that technology will be used to analyze the data. This is how technology will collect and interpret data as well as communicate the results back to students for feedback. Once you identify how the course will be organized to use technology to analyze data, enter it here. Finally, don't forget to include references. This concludes the Understanding by Design Overview Workshop series. Thank you for joining me and good luck.